Are you some sort of sovereign citizen or something?
No, I'm not, and that's defamation.
I'm sorry? I'm asking you a question. I'm not telling you.
No, sir, I do not work for the police. What is up, everybody? Here is a video from Auditing Erie County, Dan Erie County, Auditor of the Year 2024. He received his award at Auditpalooza, which was held by me October 19th, 2024. He has the corruption cruiser. He turned a Saab into a police corruption cruiser, and when it shows up, believe me, they're not happy. Well, anyway, he went to Evans City Council meeting, and he gave them a piece of their mind for violating the First Amendment over and over. Also included in this is an AI song that he created through artificial intelligence, and in my opinion, it's the best one, but I think it's better in 2x speed. So listen to the AI song first, and then listen to Dan from Auditing Erie County address the Evans City Council, and then go to his channel to watch the rest, because right after his speech, another guy got up and also gave a good speech. So here we go.
Erie County fam. Yeah, corruption cruiser rolls into town. Our public servants better not clown. Our rights respected, no backing down. Audit them all, Constitution showdown. Turn on the camera, light up the dark. Erie County fam, making a mark. Power to the people, don't lose your spark. This dog will bite, not just bark. Bad cops scatter, they know the name. First Amendment on our side, we got no shame. Document them all, expose their games. Do it for the people, not for the fame. Turn on the camera, light up the dark. Erie County fam, make it a mark. Power to the people, don't lose your spark. This dog will bite, not just bark. Flexing our rights, a man with a mission. Constitution on our side, never ask for permission. Taking pictures and videos, and hey, might just take a piece of public candy. Turn on the camera, light up the dark. Erie County fam, make it a mark. Power to the people, don't lose your spark. This dog will bite, not just bark. Come the government dogs with their charges and cuffs, barking up the wrong tree, acting so tough. We'll foil requested body cams and all their reports. Brittany Penn, Berthy gonna neuter them in court. Turn on the camera, light up the dark. Erie County fam, make it a mark. Power to the people, don't lose your spark. This dog will bite, not just bark. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, fam. We out.
If there are any individuals who would like to address the town board, you may do so at this time. Please state your name and address for the record. Each participant will be a time limit of 3 minutes, and all remarks should be directed to the town board as a body and not to any individual member. Please remember, this is not intended to be a question and answer period, but rather an opportunity for the board to gain input from the general public. Dan, you're coming.
My name is Dan, Erie County. My residency is Erie County.
I know you're talking about, but can you turn that microphone up? Thank you.
My name is Dan, Erie County. I'm from, and I come down to you guys today to talk about the First Amendment and the lack thereof transparency inside the town hall here in Evans, New York. I come down here to speak to the assessor and ask simple questions, the same questions I asked probably over 100 of other towns as well, the exact same questions. At the end of the questions, I mentioned that the assessment role here is an illegal role because they're not getting the assessments the proper way by law in New York State. And she flipped out, and I posted this video under the freedom of the press. Now, asking by government questions is constitutionally protected activity. Video recording them in the public place is constitutionally protected activity, and then posting the video. Now, the town of Evans had their assistant assessor go ahead and copyright or privacy complaint strike the video. It's going to cause litigation for the town if it isn't taken care of. I spoke to the supervisor today, but quite frankly, I feel like I got the runaround. You guys closed down the assessors and building department office today because I was there with a camera. You violated my First Amendment rights again. I don't understand where the problem is. Supervisor asked you right then and there, nip it in the butt. You couldn't be bothered. You were too busy. Then you went off to a meeting and went and hid. You left your poor woman to secretary to deal with it. Some man you are. Now, the other concern I have is, again, when people redress their grievances on your town Facebook page, you guys are deleting comments. Once again, a First Amendment violation. I don't know how much litigation you guys need to get your ass in gear, but you guys swore an oath to the Constitution to uphold our rights. And this town is not upholding nobody's First Amendment rights. So I asked the supervisor today, I feel like I was talking to a thick-headed nothingness. You know what I mean? Like, nothing got done. They got to lock down the offices. The police don't want to enforce the law here if it abides to them, you know. They violated my rights, and those police officers swore an oath that not even an officer would come and address it. Nothing we can do, nothing you can do. It's just a jerk around in this town. So here I am at the town board meeting trying to address you guys about the First Amendment. I don't understand what you guys don't understand about the First Amendment. Now, Donald Trump, he didn't like when people said negative things to say about him. He deleted them off his Facebook, Twitter, whatever you want. But you know what happened? They took him to court and he lost. He had to unblock them. Now you guys are blocking and deleting comments on your Facebook pages. That shit's gonna knock it off. You guys swore an oath to the Constitution. What's wrong with you guys down here? You guys act like this is some private organization? This isn't a private organization, nothing. This is a public organization. You don't live in this town? Get out of here? What kind of message is that sending? Do you guys take any federal tax money for your police department or your town? I bet you guys do. You can't be telling somebody who don't live in the town, get out of here. And then, supervisor, if this video was such a big deal, today you told me you didn't even look at it. That's a piss-poor supervisor that wouldn't address something if there was an issue enough where they got to make phone calls to other people to talk about other things that I'm not going to mention. And I think we all know what I'm talking about on the board side over here. So if it was such a big deal that you got to talk to other people about it, then how the hell are you not watching the video to find out what went wrong? I asked you, was I not a complete gentleman down there? Oh, I never watched the video. But it's a big enough deal that we got to call other people. All right? Now that's a bigger story than you even know. Now, I'm sick and tired of the First Amendment being ignored by snuff politicians down here. You guys better get your ass in gear and understand what the First Amendment, if you guys can't uphold your oath to the Constitution, stand down. Get the fuck out of this building. My language is constitutionally protected. You keep your mouth quiet when it's my turn to talk. Absolutely. Constitutionally protected.
Your county assessment matter.
Yes, good evening.